To discuss about LG Magna. Now LG is going to release all the curved phones now. All the you can see this one is also a gently curved design. And if we'll discuss about what is the advantage of curved phone. See, curved phone is very advantageable for certain uses. Just because if you are using on a, if you are putting your phone in on ear, so mic will be on certain distance, correct? But if it's a curve, so mic will be near about on your mouth, and you will be speak very you can say effortless, and there will be no disturbance to other side, correct? And the second thing of the curve, it will be less breakable, just because when you are dropping your phone all the time, screen will be on the front, correct? So screen is going to be broken. But into the curve phone, what is the advantage? The edges is going to hit the screen, hit the path, and your screen will be safe. So maximum time you are going to save your screen. This is the advantage of your phone. Okay. And what the other advantage of this phone? This is a gently curved phone, and if we'll discuss about, this is the 5 inches screen, and it's a HD screen, so very good quality of the screen. The best benefit of the 5 inches screen with HD, that we are having the best camera in front, that is called 5 megapixel front camera.
Yeah.
In LG, even flagship product, we are using 2 megapixel camera. This phone we are having 5 megapixel camera with gesture mode. You can give the gesture shot like this.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we have many functions, and if we'll discuss about this phone, also we have designed this phone for the easy uses and comfortable grip. When you are using this phone, the make it, that is called rear key. Redefined rear key. LG has introduced later the rear key. We have redefined it just because it increases the speed of uses. When you are decrease the volume and you want to increase the volume, whatever you are talking, whatever you are listening the multimedia things, you need to increase the volume or decrease the volume. So it makes near about 50% less effort to increase the volume or decrease the volume. This is the best benefit of that. And if you, as you can see, the processor of this phone is 1.3 GHz, which makes it very faster. As you can see, it creates very good experience of touch. And also first time LG is introducing in-cell touch display. The advantage of in-cell touch display, the speed of touch experience is very much increased. As you can see, what is in-cell touch display? We have to discuss about that. In ordinary touch, if you see, there's a touch, there's a between touch and between the screen, there are 2 or 3 layer, ITO layer, there's an air gap is available. So the response time of the touch is little bit later. But in this phone, we have decreased all the things. We have removed all the layers, we have removed all the air gaps. The speed of this phone has been increased. The response time is very, very phenomenal. And we can see the 8 megapixel is the rear camera of this phone. So by which we can record the full HD video recording also, and we can do the very good video recording by this phone. This is the SL and touch and shoot. For taking the camera, you have to just touch on the screen and you can take the photo.
Yeah.
We don't have to take the camera shutter, or we don't have to do the camera button. So this is the advantage of this phone. And as we can see, the memory, 8 GB is the inbuilt memory, and this phone supports up to 64 GB card. Okay. So we can use this phone as very easily. Okay. We don't have to go for the hassle and everything.
Yeah.
Okay.
And what about the internal memory?
Internal memory is 8 GB and the RAM is 1 GB. 1 GB is RAM and self-optimized RAM, as we have already told you.
And what are some preloaded apps in it?
Sir, there is no preloaded apps, because actually LG believes in the Android already is a very good operating system. You can download many applications, but this phone is coming on the latest operating system, that is Android Lollipop. So you will get all the latest application and you can download it.
Okay, nice. Thanks.